I'm about to install the gaskets on the lower or bottom timing chain cover. So this is the kit I'm going to be using. This is original genuine Victor Reigns kit. So you have a gasket here, here, and then this here at the back as well. So I'm going to put these in place, and then I'm going to put some silicone here actually first. These little holes here, and there is a little hole here and here, so you want to squirt a bit of silicone in there as well. So basically the bottom timing chain cover where it meets with the block, it will seal properly, so you don't end up with some oil leaks. So yeah, apart from these two places, I'm not going to put silicone anywhere else for now. I've already installed the crankshaft seal on the lower timing chain cover, so I'm gonna push it in place and I'm gonna put the bolts on. And most of these are 10mm head bolts, which are 10 Newton meters, and then you have a 13mm, a couple of bolts, 13mm heads. So I'm using Reigns seal or Reigns seal, whatever way you want to say it. So this is again original genuine Victor Reigns silicone, and it's exactly for this job. So I'm going to apply some silicone here. So just want to show you want to install gaskets with this little ridge here on the inside. So this is what seals and stops the oil from coming through. Or at least this is the idea anyway, because I'm yet to see an old BMW with no oil leaks. I'm done, and one more to go. Tiny bit of silicone on the edges here, just so it can hold it in place, just to help me with the installation. It's probably going to be harder than you expect, just because it's so awkward. Okay, so the cover is in place. Time to put some bolts. Don't forget this here in the middle for the just behind the water pump. Again, I'm not putting any tension on these bolts. I'm just going to do them by hand, not even tight. Now you're gonna have 6 bolts from underneath, so you obviously have to have the sump dropped, and then install these in place. So this is what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna go underneath the engine and I'm gonna install the 6 short bolts. Just before we go underneath, so we have 3 13mm head bolts. So one goes in here. And then the other 2 are on the bottom. You have another 3 M6 bolts. One is here, another one in this hole, and one is hiding here, so you can't really see it, but you get the idea. I put the wrong bolt here, so you have 3 85mm bolts, and you have one at 80mm. So I'm just gonna check which is the shorter one of the three. Yeah, so this is the one to go in here. And the 85mm here. I believe it's 85. I'm just gonna double check as well. Yeah, so this is where I'm getting my information from. So number 10 is 80 and number 11 is 85mm. 85, 85, 85, and this is 60 and this is 80. Okay, so it's a bit difficult filming underneath, but I'm gonna basically try and point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over here you have 6 bolts. I have adjusted my torque wrench to 10 Newton meters. I'm gonna go and just tighten them gently. This is 10 Newton meters. I'm tightening the front bolts first, and then I'm gonna tighten the bottom ones. This needs torqued. So I've already done these, the 13mm. These are 21 Newton meters, and then the rest of these, as I said, they're 10. Don't forget the one in the middle.